Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I'm Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session, guys. What we have planned for you based on two-stop non-stop maths. 2 hour non-stop maths. We are doing this session, guys, for the past couple of days. One faculty is doing it every day. And this is such a tremendous session, guys, for your preparation. This is such a tremendous session, guys, for your preparation. It plays a very major role in improving your speed. It plays a very major role in improving your speed and accuracy. Okay, so please do join, and once you join, do not forget to share the session with your friends as well. Non-stop. The term for this session is non-stop mathematics. The non-stop mathematics. Okay, just a minute. So I think everything is properly good, properly audible, visible. Everything is absolutely fine. Please do confirm. Yes, Prajwal. Hello everyone. All of you are great. All of you are good. All of you doing some wonderful studies. So we are going to do the practice, guys. Fatafat practice, we call it, or as what do you do? A 2 hour non-stop mathematics session, guys, where every variety of question come, easy, moderate, tricky, random questions from any topic, from anywhere else. That is the beauty of this session. Next. Good evening, Shrivani. The session has begun. Please do the sharings as well. The session has begun. Okay. ABC efficiencies are given, and together they can do a piece of work in 5 days. So together A plus B plus C can do a work in 5 days. You will say work is which can be done by ABC together in 5 days, which can be done by ABC together in 5 days. What is A plus B plus C efficiency? It is 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 efficiency into 5 days, work is 45. 9 efficiency into 5 days, work is 45. 9 efficiency into 5 days, work is 45, guys. Your total work is 45. A and B work for 3 days. A and B work for 3 days. What is A plus B? A plus B is 5 plus 3, 8. So 8. For 3 days, 24 job done. 24 job done. A plus B work for 3 days. So A plus B work for 3 days is about 24 job done. 21 remaining. 21 remaining. Who is going to do this? C alone. What is the efficiency of C? The efficiency of C is 1. The efficiency of C is 1. So 21 job with the efficiency of 1 will take 21 days. Very well done. Very well done, Srivani and Prajwal. Very well done, Srivani and Prajwal. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Come on, do tell me. So, as I told you, a non-stop marathon session, questions from all topics are going to come. A non-stop marathon session, questions from all topic are going to come. The beginning has done with the time and work. Let's move on. Maintain the seat as well. Maintain the accuracy seat as well. Okay. Maintain the seat from 1 to 25. Give the correct for every correct answer you are finding out. Give the wrong for every wrong answer you are doing it. And check your final scores later on. Check your final scores later on. 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. This is the formula, bacha. 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. Theta is given as 30, tan 60. So here the agenda of the examiner was to check whether you know the formulas or not. Whether you know the formulas or not. To give an extra advantage to you, tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta. Can anyone in this classroom can tell me what is 2 tan theta plus 1 plus tan square theta? Can anyone tell me what is 2 tan theta plus 1 plus tan square theta? You would be really surprised to know this. It is sine 2 theta. It is sine 2 theta, guys. You would be really surprised to know this. And there is one more is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. What is this? Anyone? Anyone? On dividing sine 2 theta, on dividing sine 2 theta by something, you will get this relation. So this is cos 2 theta. One question is booked from here. One question can be booked from here that tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. And cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Basically, it comes from a right angle triangle. Basically, it comes from a right angle triangle where the perpendicular is 2 tan theta, hypotenuse is 1 plus tan square theta, and base is 1 minus tan square theta. Now, carefully look with me. Sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. Tan is perpendicular over base. 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Clear? So this is called as a triangle of 2 theta. This is called as triangle of 2 theta. क्या कहा जाता है इसको? It is being called as triangle of 2 theta. It is being called as triangle of 2 theta. Next. Good evening, Vinod. Gobinath. The base and altitude of isosceles triangle is 10 and 12. Okay. In any isosceles triangle, the altitude or the perpendicular is the perpendicular bisector as well. In any isoscaline triangle, perpendicular is the perpendicular bisector as well. So it will divide 10 into 2 equal parts, 5 and 5. This is 12. So 5, 12, 90 degree, this will become 13. So equal sides are 13 each. Equal sides are 13 each. Any doubt whatsoever? So equal sides are 13 each. What is the property? In isoscaline, perpendicular acts as perpendicular bisector. Not everywhere. On the non-equal sides. On the non-equal sides. In isoscaline, perpendicular acts as a perpendicular bisector, my dear friends. Next. Average. I've seen an average question after such a long time. I'm really happy to see this. It's been quite nostalgic to see an average question. Four different positive numbers are written in the ascending order. Four different positive numbers are written in the ascending order. A, B, C, D. Each and every question is SSC asked. Okay. Each and every question is SSC asked. So whenever you feel like that it's getting tough, then you should be saying to your brain, this is asked in my exam. So it should be in my radar. So it should be in my radar. 1/3 of the average of 1/3 of the average of the first four numbers. The average of all four numbers is this. Is 19 less than the greatest of all these. Greatest of all these is D, and this average is 19 less than it. If you can write this equation, the point is done. If you can write this equation, bacha, point is done. Over. So, the average of first three is given as 12. So, A plus B plus C divided by 3 is given as 12. So, A plus B plus C is 36. So, I'm replacing this A plus B plus C by 36. 36 plus D by 12 is equal to D minus 19. 36 plus D by 12 is equal to D minus 19. Now, either you do the cross multiplication, or do whatever you want. 36 plus D is equal to 12D minus 19 into 12. Take it over this side. 36 plus 19 into 12 is equal to 12 minus D, 11D. Oh ho, 11D. It requires some simplifications. It requires, bacha, some simplifications. Let me do it. 19 into 10, 190. 190 plus 38 is 228. 228 plus 36 is 11D. 8 plus 6, 14. Then it is 14. 1, 5 is 6. 264. 11 2 ja 22. 11 4 ja 44. 24 is that. Just watch out. Just watch out, bacha. Any issues? Connect with me. Any issues? Connect with me. Tremendous question. Okay. Any issues? Connect with me. Is it clear to all or not? Well done, Srivani and Gopinath. You deserve it. You deserve it. Great one. Good one. Chalo, let's move on further. Each and every question is from your exam. If you find it tough, means you need to prepare hard. If you find everything easy, means you are well prepared. If you find everything easy, means you are well prepared. Okay, I think take the LCM. Take the LCM. In the denominator, it is cosec square theta minus 1. And in numerator, here cosec theta plus 1 will come. And here cosec theta minus 1 will come. You are champ. You are champ. Just simplify this. 2 cosec theta. Okay. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. If you don't believe, just see yourself. If you don't believe, guys, just see yourself. Well done, Monica, Prajwal and all. Cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. And cosec square theta is cos square theta upon sine square theta. And sec theta is bacha cos theta. Sine gone. 1 cos gone. 2 gone. Only tan theta is remaining. Tan theta is 1, theta is 45. Tan theta is 1, theta is 45. Tan theta is 1, theta is 45. Cot 45 1, cos 45 1 by root 2. It's root 2 plus 1 by root 2. It's root 2 plus 1 by root 2. But some of you will see, sir, it is not in the options. Just rationalize by root 2 then. Just rationalize by root 2 then. Don't worry. So it is 2 plus root 2 by 2. Perfect. 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 So how is the quiz going? How is the quiz going, guys? It's almost 20 minutes. How are the questions coming? What is the accuracy levels as of now? Is anyone at out of out? Is anyone at out of out as of now? So what is I applied over here? I applied the identity cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. Wow. Come on. Great. Value putting question. Value putting question. The one who remembers the values is the king. The one who remembers the value is the king. Well done, Vinod. Focus. Everything is plus, okay? Sin 30, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 ka square, 1 by 4. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 ka square, 1 by 2. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 ka square, 1 by 3. Sin 90, 1. Cos 90, if sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Fatafat. Fatafat. 1 by 8 plus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Take the LCM 24. 8 3 ja. 3 8 ja. 3 8 ja na? Yeah, 8. 8 4 ja 32. 12. 35. 45. 47 by 24 is the correct answer. Gopinath. Lovely. Well done. Well done, Shrivani. Well done, Gopinath. You all are amazing. You all are amazing. Great. So proud of you. Just move on. Well done, Monica. Talapu ready. Divisible by 88, my dear friends. Divisible by 88 means divisible by 8 and 11 both. Means divisible by 8 and 11 both. First go for 8. I know multiple values of x will come. I know multiple values of x will come. But just keep a patience. 6x2 divisible by 8. If you take x is equal to 1, 12 is okay. For 1 we can try. 8 7 ja 56. 8 7 ja 56, 52. After 56, 5 is remaining, 52, not divisible. After 1, directly go for 3. Alternate. So, 6 8 ja 56. After 56, bacha, 7 is remaining, 72, divisible. Divisible. So, x is 3. X is 3. Then 6 7 1 2 7 y 7 6 3 2 should be divisible by 11 as well. Should be divisible by 11 as well. Should be divisible by 11 as well. Alternate plus minus or alternate sum. Okay. So 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus y, 10 plus y, 17 plus y. 17 plus y minus 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 7 17, plus 1 18, 18 plus 6 24 should be divisible by 11. So y 17 minus 24 is minus 7. Y minus 7 divisible by 11. So I think the numerator should be 0. If you want this number to be divisible by 11, y minus because y is a digit as well. Now you have to keep it a single digit number. So y comes out to be 7 because 7 minus 7 is 0 and 0 is divisible by 11. So y is 7. So what is 7x minus 2y? X is 3, y is 7. 21 minus 14, 7 is the answer. Amazing questions coming. So these sessions, guys, can give you a lot of extra ages. I hope you are feeling that. Okay. So this 2-hour non-stop marathon doing CGL, CHSL exact questions randomly is really a great thing. Is really a great thing what we are doing these days. And even I am highly motivated, guys. You might remember that yesterday also I have taken the session, and today as well I am taking the session. This is my motivation, and this is because of your motivation that these sessions can be very useful to you and can play a very major role in your preparations. Next. So I think I picked a tricky shift today. Yeah? All quality questions coming, all good questions coming. A 45 we cannot put here because then the denominator will become 0. 45 we cannot put because then the denominator will become 0. 30, 60 we can put and find out the answer. We can find out the answer for 30 or 60. We can find out the answer for 30 and 60. And I will give the detailed way as well. I will give the detailed way as well. I think first of thing is you should be converting into either 10 or cot. I know everyone loves 10. So better convert everything into 10. 10 theta. 1 minus 1 upon 10 theta. 1 upon 10 theta. Later on, we need to convert into, I think, sine and cos as well. As I am seeing from the options, what the intuition I am getting is it might be required to convert them into sine and cos later on. This 10 will go above, so 10 is square theta upon 10 theta minus 1. Tan theta minus 1. Better make it tan theta minus 1 as well. So take the negative sign over here. Oh, I think it would be required. Now I'm very much sure it would be required to convert into sine and cos. Now I'm very much sure, bacha, that it would be required to convert them into sine and cos. Okay. So take the LCM tan theta minus 1. So 10 square theta minus 1 by 10 theta. If you take it, it will become 10 cube theta minus 1 upon 10 theta minus 1. I'm just giving it a trial. I have something in my back of the mind. Guys, I have something in my back of the mind. And I think that will do the job. A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube is A minus B. Wow. This is the wow step. A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB. A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB. Now divide by tan theta. Now divide by tan theta. Now divide by tan theta, guys, the numerator. Tan square theta by tan theta is tan theta. 1 by tan theta is cot theta. And tan theta by tan theta is 1. Okay. This 1 is the extra. Na? A cube minus B cube is A minus B. A square plus B square plus AB. A cube minus B cube is A square plus B square plus AB. Should I convert into sine and cos? Sine by cos plus cos by sine plus 1. Oh ho. Sine cos. Sine square plus cos square plus. Guys, this 1 is really remaining. Shrivani, this 1 is really remaining. Okay. Sine square plus cos square plus. I think this 1 is not remaining. Because if it will not remain, if it will not remain, then we would be reaching our answer. Let me try it. Let me see it. Let me see it once. 1 upon sine theta into cos theta. So directly we can write it as sec theta into cosec theta. So 1 is remaining. Okay, 1 plus k. Oh, it is compared with 1 plus k, na ba? Wow. Wow. So this is compared with 1 plus k. I missed it. It is compared with 1 plus k. So k is tan theta plus cot theta. So k is tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta plus cot theta. And when you guys convert into sine and cos, it is 1 upon sine theta cos theta, which is cosec theta into sec theta. Can we call it as the question of the day? I think for sure. Majedar question tha. Like using this identity and then doing this. It was a pure fun. Yeah, it was a pure fun. So CGL Advance is second or third best in the country. As I always say, Advanced Math, best is CAT, then CDS, then SSC CGL. If you talk about algebra, geometry, if you talk about trigonometry, if you talk about mensuration, the CGL is the third best in the country. CAT, CDS, then CGL. So you should be very proud of you. Yeah, you should be very proud of you that like for the advance, it is the third best. Let's move on. For arithmetic, the order is CAT and POs. CAT, POs, then CGL. Feeling fatigued? Okay. Okay. Obviously, PO is bank PO, Vinod. PO means bank PO. Obviously, I'm not taking into consideration the exams which are based on higher maths like IIT JEE or NDA. Yeah. The exams which are based on higher maths like IIT JEE or NTA. I'm talking about the aptitude exams, which are more. Aptitude exams are much more than higher maths exam. And in the next upcoming years, you will see that aptitude exams are going to rise and higher mathematics exams are going to get decrease. Because everyone is understanding the importance of the aptitude exams. A person sells an article at a profit of 12%. Let's suppose an article of 100, he sell it for 112. I'm dealing in the ratio. He purchased it for 12% less. So 12% less is about 88. Then skip this line. Skip this line because it is exact value. Skip this line because it's exact value. He would have gained 27%. Make use of this line. Make use of this line that he would have gained 27%. He would have gained 27%. What is 27% gain over here? So 27% of 88. 4 is simplifying 22 times, 4 is simplifying 25 times. Okay, my dear friends, this is becoming 27 into 2, 54. 54 into 11 divided by 25. My dear friends, it's 54 into 11 divided by 100 by 4. Okay, my dear friends. So, it is 216 into 11 divided by 100. Multiplication by 11 is very easy. 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 2. 23.76 profit. I've taken it long, little bit. Otherwise, you can skip 1 or 2 steps. 27.36 profit. 23.76 profit. Selling price 0.76. 8 plus 3, 11, 1. 10 plus 1, 11. According to ratio, how much less? According to ratio, only 0.24 less. So 0.24 is given as 9. 0.24 is given as 9. So 24 is 900. 1 is 900 by 24. So CP, that is 100, is 100 into 900 divided by 24. Just simplify and reach your answer directly. 3 times. So this. Obviously, guys, it cannot cut 4 times. Na? It cannot cut 4 times. So 3 point something. And only answer in the 3 point something is this. It cannot completely cut 4 times. Na? It cannot completely cut 4 times. Because 24 4 ja 96. 24 4 ja 96. So it is 3 point something. 3.75. So 3.75 into 100 is this. Gone. Perfect. Well done, my dear friends. Amazing questions are coming. As you know, guys, we Exampur are at this point of time are working really hard and providing you some very good offerings, some of the best offerings. Like if you talk about the quizzes, free quizzes are available, free job alerts are available, free previous year PDF with solutions are available. Then current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly are available. Study material is available for you. Free courses is going to be introduced soon. Test series is really cool and a lot of free tests are there. In the paid course, guys, we are running as of now the CGL officer batch, which is the bilingual batch, which is making you prepare for the SSC CGL 2022, which is making you prepare for the SSC CGL 2022. This is the way to download the Exampur app. Go to the Play Store, download it, install it, open it, registers with the credentials, and enjoy learning. And enjoy learning. I also want some relaxing questions, guys, because otherwise you will start feeling it tough. I will also pray that some relaxing questions comes for you. Okay. I will also pray that some relaxing questions comes for you. Because neither I am aware. My paid course is a 5 p.m. YouTube session, Vinod. My paid course is a 5 p.m. YouTube session. As of now, my only paid course is 5 p.m. YouTube session over this channel. Okay. In a circle with center O, PQR is a tangent. PQR is a tangent. At a point Q. At a point Q. AB is a chord in the circle parallel to the tangent. AB is the chord parallel to tangent such that angle BQR is 70 degree. Tangent and chord is making tangent and QB chord is subtending 70 degree. What is AQB? There is a property, if a tangent and a chord subtend 70 degree, then what? This chord at any other point on the circumference is going to subtend the same angle 70 degree. This is alternate segment theorem. This is alternate segment theorem. A tangent and a chord if subtend 70 degree, this chord will subtend 70 degree at any other point on the circumference. AQB. AQB. Guys, my dear friends, they are parallel as well. They are parallel as well. So if the two lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles. If this is 70, this is also 70. Alternate interior angles, my dear friends. If two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles. If two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles 70, 70, 140 and 40. It was a great question. I loved it. Okay. Yeah, for sure, Vinod. It is a great question. I loved it. I hope you too. So this 70 we find out by the property of parallel lines. This 70 we find out by the property of parallel lines. And this 70 we find it out from the alternate segment theorem. Loved it. If you don't use alternate segment theorem as well, then also we can do it 70, 70, again 70, 40. Things are same. Things are same. Chalo. Guys, I want some relaxing moments for you. Let's see when they comes. Let's see when they comes. A cube plus B cube when divided by A plus B will give A square plus B square minus AB. A cube plus B cube when divided by A plus B will give A square plus B square minus AB. A cube plus B cube when divided by A plus B will give A square plus B square minus AB from the identity. 4x square plus 9y square minus 6xy. So A is 4, B is minus 6, and C is 9. Please do take care here as well. Please do take care here as well. What is 5A? A is 4, B is minus 6, and C is 9. 5 4 ja 20, minus 24 plus 27, minus 4 plus 27, 23 is the answer, my dear friends. Well done, Prajwal and Srivani are rocking today. Yeah, even Gopinath, you all are rocking, guys. I mean, this is really tremendous. I must say, this is really tremendous. You are maintaining such a great accuracy, and you are doing it so good. You are doing it so good. Next. Surbi spends 75% of her income. Income increases by 20%. Saving decrease by 1%. What is the percentage increase in the income? What is the percentage increase in the income? Surbi spends 75% of his income. Let income is 100. Then spending 25. So expenditure is 75. So saving is 25. What I tell guys, I tell you to take the ratio. I tell you to take the ratio. 1 ratio 3 ratio 4. What I tell to take the ratio 1 ratio 3 ratio 4. Now income increasing by 20, directly multiply by plus 20 over here, it will become 80. Saving decreasing by 1, so directly multiply by minus 1 over here, it will become minus 1. So what should be this value? So that 80 plus something minus 1 is equal to be satisfied. You will say, sir, it has to be 81%. It has to be 81% because 81 minus 1 is 80. 81 minus 1 is 80. So what is the change happening in the expenditure? 81% over the expenditure of 3. So 27% should be the change in expenditure. This is among the best. This is among the best for such questions. This is among the best for such questions. Is it clear? Is it clear? Well done. Shrivani, have you done some error? Have you done some error, Shrivani? It's 27%, not 2.7%. It's 27%, not 2.7%. So please do take care, guys. Please do take care. Don't do any such errors. Don't do any such errors. Well done, Prajwal and Srivani. Let's move on. If you remember the formula, then we used to tell you in our courses that man angle can be directly angle B minus angle C divided by 2. If you can remember, if you can't remember, then I'm going to give you the complete derivation. If you can't remember, then I'm going to give you the direct derivation, and from where it comes, I'm going to tell you. In triangle ABC, just capture it fast. AM is perpendicular. AN is the angle bisector. Angle B is 55. Angle C is 35. Total 90. After 90, how much is this angle? 90. 90 plus 90 is 100. Angle bisector divide into two equal parts. Angle bisector will divide into two equal parts, 45 each. Angle bisector will divide into two equal parts, 45 each. Okay. This is 90. This is 55. So only this portion is going to be 35. And total is 45. So can I say this is 10 degree? This is the derivation. This was the derivation. Otherwise, you can remember this as well. Like angle B minus angle C divided by 2. Angle B is given as 55. Angle C is given as 35. Divide by 2. Which is about 10 degree. Either remember it and the derivation is also complete. Let's move on. It's plus. And this is plus as well. Find out. Again, please do it with lot of care. You might be able to think for finding out x cube plus 1 upon x cube, x plus 1 upon x is required. For finding out x cube plus 1 upon x cube, x plus 1 upon x is required. So try to make it x plus 1 upon x. Divide by x in the numerator and denominator. Divide by x in the numerator and denominator. It will become 6 upon 2x plus 5 minus 2 by x is equal to 1. 6 upon 2x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1. 1 means equal. Numerator and denominator are equal. What do you mean by 1? Numerator and denominator are equal. So 2 times of x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 6. Or you can say 2 times of x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1. X minus 1 upon x is 1 by 2. Guys, if x minus 1 upon x is known, finding out x plus 1 upon x is not a big deal. If x minus 1 upon x is known, finding out x plus 1 upon x is not a big deal. Let's see how. I have told you that x plus 1 upon x is under root of x minus 1 upon x square plus 4, which is under root of 17 by 4. So this is your x plus 1 upon x. This can be found out directly. Now, if x plus 1 upon x is known, what is the big deal in x cube plus 1 upon x cube? What is the big deal in x plus 1 upon x cube? A cube minus 3a. A cube minus 3 times of a. A cube minus 3 times of a. 17 root 17 का cube is 17 root 17. and this is 2. 2 ka cube is 8 minus 3 times of root 17 by this is 2. At one place it is 8 in the denominator, at another place it is 2 in the denominator. So either take the LCM of 8, 17 root 17, and this is 4, 3 ja 12 root 17. 5 root 17 divided by 8. Again, a question in the category of the question of the day. Again, the question is of the category of the question of the day. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? The question is of the category of the question of the day. Pure, delicate. A lot of steps were involved. First, this step was involved, then finding out this is involved, and from here, this final answer is involved. Make a important note. Make a important note. If x plus 1 upon x is a, then x minus 1 upon x is under root of a square minus 4. And similarly, if x minus 1 upon x is a, then x plus 1 upon x is under root of a square plus 4. It will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. These two relations will help you a lot. And I've used this in the previous one. You made it, Lallu. Next. As you know, guys, as I told you in the just few minutes before only, this is our app, this is our offerings. Please do try it. Try it once, guys. You will definitely enjoy it. If there is something which you want, the improvement is still possible, please do let me know, guys. I will make that happen for sure. I've just given you its benefit few minutes ago, so it is not about, I'm not going to give it again, but please do download it, because, and whatever are your findings, do let me know. Whatever are your findings, do let me know. Guys, TDF, time difference formula. Journey is 96 km only. Faster train is taking 1 hour less than the slower train. Obviously, it will take less because its speed is 16 more. So, if you are covering it a more speed, if you will cover the same distance with the more speed, it will take less time for sure. So, 96 km is equal to S1, S2 upon S1 minus S2 into time difference. Now, A is fast train. Fast is A. Fast is A and slow is B. So, let the A and speed of B is A minus 16. Because it is 16 less. The difference is 16. How much is the time difference? Time difference is 1 hour. Time difference is 1 hour. So, A into A minus 16 is equal to 96 into 16. Try to break into factors. Try to break into factors, guys. I think it is 48 into 2. Wow, we got it. We nailed it. We cracked it. Ivan, Srivani. So A into A minus 16 is equal to 48 into 32. Difference of 16, difference of 16. So A is 48. Great. Great question. TDF is applicable. TDF is applicable. TDF is applicable over here as well. Any doubts whatsoever, do tell me. Any doubts whatsoever, do tell me. Well done, Ivan, Srivani, and Prajwal. Each and every question from your exams, if you are not reading to this level, means you are in a darkness. If you are not reading, if you are not preparing to this level, guys, you are in the darkness. So come out of the darkness. I'm there to help you out. I know all the students, those who are connected with me, study of this label. But if anyhow you are an external person and you are joining the session today and you're feeling that you whatever you study is very easy, but whatever comes in the examination, these are all exam questions, is really tricky, then it is the high time you should realize that reading easy things will never get me over the exam. There would be at least one person, guys, who is in this situation as of now. Is there is anyone who is in this situation where he do all uh, kind of very easy problems where the jadoo works? This is actual exams. This is actual. A and B is in the ratio 7:12 and B and C is in the ratio 8:5. Make the value of B same at both places. 12 and 8 common multiple is 24. Multiply by 2 here, multiply by 3 here. So it is 14, 24 and 24, 15. So you will say 14:24:15. So ABC is in the ratio 14:24:15. If the difference between the shares of A and C is given, the difference between the shares of A and C is 1. 1 is given as 214. What is the value of X? X is the total. X is the total. So total according to the ratio is 38. 38 plus 5, 43 plus 10, 53. What is the value of 53? What is the value of 53? So 53 is 53 into 214. Unit digit of 2. Unit digit of 2. Answer. Answer. Please do watch out, and if there are any issues, do let me know. Please do watch out, and if there are any issues, do let me know. Well done, Vinod. Well done. Unit digit of 2. 3 4 12. Only unit digit of 2 is available in one option. And it is not any option tampering as it is. So even the unit digit can help us to do 1-2 extra questions in the examination. So unit digit can also help us do 1-2 extra questions in the examination. Oh my God. You will see, sir, today it is really dangerous to see this shift. How many of you How many of you see are really thinking, sir, that was a tremendous shift. It would be difficult in the examination hall to perform better over here. And be true to yourself. Be true to yourself. How many of you will are feeling like, sir, to do well in this shift would be difficult. Because once you are true to yourself, then you will work harder. Then you will work harder. Production of D-type cars is represented by a pie chart. This is represented on a pie chart. This is represented on a pie chart. What is the central angle for 2017 production? 765. What is the total? What is the total? Total is 40 plus 50, 90, 90 plus 60, 150, 150 plus 60, 210, 210 plus 60 is 270. 270 plus 14, 284, 284, 287, 287 plus 5 is 293, 292, 292 plus 8 is 300. For central angle, bacha, for central angle with which we will multiply. For central angle with which we will multiply 100 or 360. For central angle with which we multiply 100 or 360. For percentage we will multiply by 100. For central angle we will multiply by 360. Okay. 5 is simplifying 13 times. 5 is simplifying 6 times. For central angle, we will multiply by 360. For central angle, we will multiply by 360 degree. So by multiplying by 360 degrees, 78 degrees is coming, and that is our answer. Well done, Ivan, Vinod, Shrivani, Prajwal, Gopinath. Well done, Gopinath, Prajwal, Shrivani, Ivan, and everyone else, Let's move on. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Production of C-type cars is represented by a pie chart. Production of C-type cars is represented by a pie chart. Production of C-type cars is represented by a pie chart. Central angle for 2012. Central angle for 2012. This 45 over total of 45 plus 55, 100. 55 plus 56, 110. 100 plus 110 plus 60. 45 over 270. Central angle multiply by 360 degree. For central angle multiply by 360 degree. 9 4 ja, 9 3 ja. 60 degree is the central angle. Great. 60 degree is the central angle. Prajwal, Gopi, Ivan, and Shrivani. Focused. You all can do this. I am very well sure. Guys, you all can do it. Now, I believe you a lot. After the session is over, guys, please do let me know in the comment section that how was this session. After the session is over, please do let me know in the comment box, guys, how was the session. How was the learnings? How was the practice? You need not to cross check that it would be a cube of it. You need not to cross check that this would be a cube of it. It would be. Otherwise, the question cannot be solved. Otherwise, the question cannot be solved. So directly focus on a cube minus b cube is a square plus b square plus ab. So don't worry about that whether it is cube or not. Don't worry, because if it would not be, then you would not be able to solve it. 9 5 ja 45x square 2y square plus 3 root 10 xy. 3 root 10 xy. So a is 45, b is 2, and c is root 10c. So root 10c is equal to 3 root 10, so c is 3. My dear friends, is it proper? Is it proper? So 47 minus 27, 20 is the answer. 47 questions were very quality one. These were actual CGL questions. Actual. 47 minus 27 is 20 is the exact answer. 47 minus 27, 20 is the exact answers, my dear friends. Such a lovely thing. Let's move on. Now I literally want, guys, some easy questions. Just to increase the count. But they are not coming. Okay. As you know, I'm also like watching them live in front of you only. I've not seen it. I just take down a shift and copy paste over here. I just take out any random shift of CGL and just do it in front of you. Sold 25 articles for 2500. So for one selling price is 100. And there is a loss of 10%. Loss of 10% means SP over CP. 10% loss means loss of 1 over 10. So 9 by 10. So CP comes out to be 10 by 9 of SP. And SP is given as 100. So CP is 1000 by 9. CP is 1000 by 9. My dear friends, CP is 1000 by 9. Now you want to make a profit of 20%. So the new SP is going to be, profit of 20% means 120 by 100 of the CP. 120 by 100 of the CP, 6 by 5 of the CP. 6 by 5 of the CP, 3 2 times, 3 3 times. And this is, bacha, 200 times. So 400 by 3 is the new SP. 400 by 3 is the new SP. 400 by 3 is the new SP. So how many articles for 2400? For 2400 with the SP per article for 400 by 3, it is 6 here and this is 3 over 18. Pretty good question. Prajul, you done the error? Should I cross check it? Prajul, you done the error or should I cross check it? If you identify your error, then it's well and good. Otherwise, I will cross check it. So SP for 1 initially is SP1, SP2. 100. 25 for 2500, 100. Then you find out CP, because loss of 10%, 1 by 10, SP over CP 9 by 10. CP comes out to be 10 by 9 of SP, 100 by 9. Okay, 100 by 9. Now if the CP is known, now you want to earn 20% profit. So 120 by 100 of CP, 6 by 5, SP2 is 400 by 3. SP2 is 400 by 3. So for 2400, where SP of each is 400 by 3, 18 articles are there. Another method, chalo ek aur banate. Okay, Srivani, let me make one more. Okay, for Srivani, let me make one more. Okay. I think Srivani knows that I made it by one more else well. That is why she is asking about one more method. Okay. Chalo. Let's do it for her. Let's do it for her. Make the expenditure in both cases same. Initially you are selling for 2500 and finally you are selling for 2400. So why not make it 2400 at both places? Why not make it 2400 for both places? So 24 articles would be of 2400. So I made the selling price same at I made the selling price same. Initially 24 articles for 2400 and finally I am selling it for 2400 to make a profit of 60%. So price I made it constant, bacha. Now, from a loss of 10% to the profit of 20%. From a loss of 10% to the profit of 20%. How is the price changing? Loss of 10% means 90% of the price and profit of 20% means 120% price. So price is changing in the ratio 3:4. So quantity would be changing in the inverse ratio 4:3 because I have made the overall expenditure. I made the overall expenditure as constant. Because I made the overall expenditure constant. So what is the initial quantity for 2400? 24. 4 6 ja. So final quantity for 2400 is 80. I'm feeling nostalgic. I've done it a couple of years ago. Today I got an opportunity to do it again. So quite a time ago, guys, I have done this. So today Srivani has given me opportunity to do it once again by that method. Okay. In that case, you have to only make expenditure in both cases same. Initially 2400 as well, finally 2400 as well. So initially the loss of 10%. So let's suppose the selling price is 90%. And then finally you want to have a profit of 20%. So 120%. Price changing in the ratio 3:4. Quantity changing in the inverse ratio 4:3. So if you initially can sold 24 articles, finally you can sell only 80 articles. I was randomly thinking of this question after my DP ministerial test. Okay. And here it is. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Even it was not planned, even. It was not planned. Okay. Randomness. No, I changed the quantity as well. Now, like 25 articles for 2500. So 24 articles for 2400. If 25 articles he is selling for 2400, then he would be selling 24 articles for 2400. Just to make these both expenditures same. Just to make these both expenditures same. I hope you got it now, Vinod. Sin theta is known. Perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So base is B. Base is B. Sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse, so base is B. Okay. What is sec theta? Sec theta is hypotenuse upon base and tan theta is perpendicular over base. So hypotenuse is under root of a square plus b square over base of b, and perpendicular is a over b. So it is b under root of a square plus b square. After quite a long time, first relaxing question. after after few hours, the first easy question. After few hours, you would be damn happy to see it. Yeah, you would be damn happy to see it. Okay, let's move on. I think the session might be getting finished. Yeah, the session might be getting finished. I will very like fast check it. What is outside that? Yeah, there are still some. There are still some. So one set might be remaining. This might be the last set of 3-4 questions. Yeah. What answer is visible? Oh my god. Divisible by 72 means divisible by 8 and 9 both. Divisible by 8 means this divisible by 8. 7x2 divisible by 8. For the greatest possible value of y. For the greatest possible value of y. Okay? Let's see, my dear friends. It might can trouble you. If you take 1, 8 just 64. After 64, it's 72. Yeah, for 1 satisfying. For 1 satisfying. I think for 3, it will not satisfy. Then for 5, 8, 8 9 just 72. 32. Yeah, 5 will also satisfy. Now, 9 can also. The only option left is 9. If you take 9, 72, 72. They comes in the pair of 4. I know it from before. I know it from before that they comes in the pair of 4. Okay. So 3 possible values of x. Now, so 8, 9, 7, 3, 5, 9, y 7x2 divisible by 9. For 9, we avoid the 9. Avoid the 9. Avoid the 9. 7 plus 2, avoid the 9. Okay. For 9, we avoid the 9. So we will say, sir, it is now 15 plus 5, 20 plus 3. 23 plus x plus y should be divisible by 9. 23 plus x plus y should be divisible by 9. Now, we will see that for what value of x, y will become largest. If I take x as 1, 24, y will come 3, 27. Because 27 is multiple. Okay, now I'm roughing this. I'm roughing this. If I take x5, it is 28. After 28, the next multiple is 36. After 28, my dear friends, the next multiple is 36. So 28 plus 8, 36. Wow, this is cool. I think this is the pair which is going to satisfy, my dear friends. If I take 9, 23 plus 9, 32. So y will only come 4. So this is the pair what we are looking for. This is the pair for what we are looking for. This is the pair for what we are looking for. What is 3x minus y? Such an amazing day. X is 5 and y is 8. Pairs, possibilities. This is CGL. Pairs and possibilities question. Have you ever thought of that in the divisibility of 72, you have to look for the pairs? You have to look for the possibilities. Have you ever thought of, guys, that in the problem of the divisibility, you have to look for the pairs and the possibilities? Okay, next. This is, bacha, for you might be difficult. For you, this might be difficult. Huh? This is 3a chi square. This is 2b chi square. This is c chi square. Make 2 outside and send the remaining 2 inside. 2 into 3a, 2 into b, minus 2 into 2c. Shrivani, it was a coincidence because it was clearly saying the greatest possible value of y. It was clearly saying the greatest possible value of y. The value of 3a is the coefficient of 3a. So 3a is equal to 2. The value of 2b is the coefficient of 2b. Coefficient of 2b is 1. So value of 2b is 1. And the value of c is the coefficient of c. That is minus 4. The greatest technique. The greatest technique. So if 3a is 2, 9a is 6. 2b is 1, then 4b is 2. And c is minus 4. So minus of minus 4. Yeah, minus of minus 4. Which is 8 plus 4. Santu, which scorecard you are talking about? The mains one? The tier 2? Let's move on. Just few more. Just only few more. 1, 2, 3 more. Just. MTS. Okay. I will check. I will check the website and will let you know. Okay. I will check the website and will let you know. Okay. ABCD is the quadrilateral. AB is the diameter. ABCD is the quadrilateral. AB is the diameter. ABCD is the quadrilateral. AB is the diameter. Angle ADC is 130. Cyclic quadrilateral, so opposite should be 50. Cyclic quadrilateral, so opposite should be 50. Cyclic quadrilateral, na? Great. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. So, what is back? 90 plus 50, 140, 40. So, back is 40. Two step. One was cyclic quadrilateral. One was cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angle sum 180. Opposite sum 180. And another is diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Two logics used. Two logics used. Cyclic quadrilateral opposite sum 180 and diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. All are plus. All are plus. All are plus. By someone who is like have given the MTS, please suggest him as the as of now. As you know, SSC is a board which gives a lot of exams. So to remember, and it happens across the years as well. Yeah, so it would be very difficult to say anything in random. 5 exams, 2, 3 different years parallelly. ABC, AD bisect A at BC. Okay. AD bisects A. AD is the angle bisector. Angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of the adjacent sides. This side is A, AC is B, and this is C. So angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of the adjacent side. So angle bisector will divide this A in the ratio C ratio B. Adjacent sides. Na? Angle bisector will divide this side A in the ratio C ratio B. Angle bisector will divide this side A in the ratio C ratio B. What they are asking? They are asking the DC portion. So DC portion is B over B plus C of A. Because we have to divide A, na? Because we have to divide A. We have to divide A in the ratio C ratio B. Situation is we have to divide A in the ratio C ratio B and find out the value of B. So it is B over B plus C of A. So it is AB upon B plus C. Let's move on further. Now I personally want as well that this session will come to end. It will come very soon. It will come very soon. This shift would have been difficult, guys. Yeah, the people who might have sit in this shift would have been like crying. You know, sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta are inverse of each other. Sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta are inverse of each other. So I can convert into inverse. बोलोगे sir क्यों? Because then there is a probability of getting cancelled out. Then there is a probability of getting cancelled out. So t minus s plus 1 and t plus s I am writing as 1 upon s minus t minus 1. T minus s plus 1 over 1 minus s minus t. 1 minus s minus t over s minus t. This s minus t will go in the top. S minus t over 1 plus t minus s over 1 plus t minus s. The trouble is gone. The trouble is gone. So only thing which is remaining is sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta. S minus t is what? Sec theta minus tan theta. So this is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Multiply by sec theta is equal to 1 by k. What is k? Oh my dear, oh my dear, oh my dear. Okay? Oh my dear. So 1 upon cos minus sine upon cos guys, do you know if it would be divide na it would have been better, but let's see. Let's consider it as correct only. Sec is 1 upon cos. Their LCM is 1 minus sine theta, and in the denominator cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Let's see, it can be a great one. It can be a great one, bacha. Now, cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta. As expected, it was a great one. As expected, it was a great one. So 1 minus sine theta, and here it is 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta is equal to 1 by k. So k is 1 plus sine theta. As expected, it is going to have something. Look, the situation changed after here. The answer was looking as 1 minus sine theta, but the multiplication of cos square theta in the denominator, You write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. And 1 minus sin square theta, you break it as 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta got cancelled out, and ultimately the answer comes out as 1 plus sin theta. Situation changed. Situation changed. We would have never expected this. Now, guys, I think take 3 homeworks. Take 3 homeworks. Take 3 homeworks, and we are going to finish up the session. This is homework number 1. 1, 2, 3. Take the screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Take the screenshot. Homework number 2. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot taken. Homework number 3. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot taken. Chalo, with this, guys, only 3 homeworks, we are winding up the session. I hope you might have thoroughly enjoyed it. Guys, if you enjoyed it, please do not forget to like the session before going, and do the sharings with your friends, colleagues as well. They are thoroughly going to enjoy it. That is my promise. And if any one of you have not downloaded the app as of now, please make sure, guys, you download it. We are doing a lot of offerings over these. Most of the offerings are free of cost. Most of the offerings are free of cost, guys. You will get most of the offerings is free of cost. It is looking good as well. The offerings are also very good. Previous year PDF with solutions, job alert, quizzes, paid courses, books, study material, current affairs, test series, everything. Everything, guys, okay? So please, guys, thank you very much, Ivan. Thank you very much, Srivani. Thank you very much, Prajwal. Good night to everyone. Enjoy yourself, guys. Just to take a good rest, just to take a good dinner. Revise the session, guys, as well. Whenever required, revise it as well. It is going to play a very crucial role in the upcoming SSC CGL examination. Make the playlist, guys. The playlist, even I am also getting it updated. You also keep a playlist with you, so that you can revise the sessions regularly. And one more thing, guys, is do not forget to share it. Whenever you got an opportunity to tell a word of mouth to anyone about the sessions, please make this opportunity happen, because as you know, this English medium initiative is a new initiative of us, and it requires your support. Yeah, it requires your support at any cost, because otherwise it would not be known to the world that Exampur is running the English medium channel of SSC as well. If you don't take up this courage, guys, then the world will never know that Exampur is also running the English medium channel of SSC. Yeah. So this is only possible with your help, not without it. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. I think all of you just loved the session. Do some comments, guys, in the last of the session as well, because the more commented sessions get more reach. So that would be helpful for us. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.